All products are customizable, OEM and ODM accepted. For example, brand the devices with your company logo, startup screen logo, apps, shell color, printed receipt format, font type, font size, etc. The customizations are quick and precise. What's more, all terminals are with lifelong technical supports and 1-year warranty. Goodcom values outstanding dedicated individuals who work together as an effective and efficient team. We are responsible for our clients through maximizing each team member's talent to highly accomplish or exceed our clients' requirements. Choice, convenience, reliability, and quality are the key benefits for our customers. We help customers develop customized solutions, improving customer experience, reducing operational costs, increasing operational efficiency, and providing timely services.